Guys, I'm literally shook. I wasn't even planning on filming this video, but I'm doing right now a little story time for you guys. So I'm just gonna get right into it. Basically, around like 2 weeks ago, or a couple weeks before Christmas, I ordered a James Charles palette from Depop, and whatever, I got scammed basically. It was a fake account. She like pretended to be from an Instagram account. I don't know, this whole big thing, whatever. Got my money back, and then when he restocked, which was like I think last week, I got it again from my friend from the actual Morphe site, so that it was legit, whatever, because he restocked. And now today, I wasn't even expecting the package to come. My sister opens the door and there's 2 boxes, whatever. So I just didn't think anything of it. I was like, oh, it's probably like one of my siblings' packages or whatever. No. So I opened the boxes, and not only did I get 1 James Charles palette, I got freaking 2. Whatever. Opened the packages, and I didn't really think anything of it. We thought, because I was opening with him, and we thought like the original, like the back of it was his signature, so we thought like maybe we were like, what the hell, like did he actually sign these? But it was like everybody has them like that, like that's the actual packaging. So whatever, we opened the packages, and one of them, we just kind of looked at one of them because I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this one to my friend, whatever. So I didn't touch that one. I was just opening the regular one. We didn't see anything on it, just his normal like signature, the way it comes. So pretty, whatever. Then we were like, oh, like 500 people have their palette signed. 500 only. He signed 500. So we're like, imagine like one of them is signed. So we just opened the other one, and it was freaking signed, literally in a gray Sharpie marker, signed, like legit signed. Like, what the, like literally, I don't even know. 500 people and me. I don't even really, like, I literally got it for my friend, and I ended up with 2 palettes. 2 palettes, not even 1. And the fact that it was signed, like, I don't even know what to do. Like, I literally was sweating. Like, I'm literally still sweating. I'm like literally shook because 500 people, and I was that one person. I got scammed multiple times to get 2 palettes, and I literally only paid for 1. I literally put up put a picture of the email saying 1 palette and getting 2. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you now the 2 palettes, and I'm gonna show you the one that's freaking signed. Like, oh my god, it's insane. I'm gonna show you also what I thought was the freaking signature, and we were like, what is this, like the signature? And we searched up videos, and it's actually the one that comes with, I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna show you. Alright guys, so this is the regular one, and this is the one that's signed, but I'm just showing you. We have it literally on bubble wrap because I'm not like doing anything to it, but just look. So we knew that this is how it comes already, and then I'm gonna show you the back of this one. So originally it came like this, right? This is the back of one box, and I thought maybe this was like the freaking signature, that whatever, but they all come like that. I literally searched videos to see, so I'm literally like shook. Guys, the inside is literally perfect. It's so fresh, and like I don't know how somebody can even freaking like use this, because like I would not want to ruin it. It has literally the most crazy colors. Like everything is just freaking perfect. I'm gonna show you that one and the other one. I'm literally not gonna freaking touch the inside of the signed one because it's insane. The colors are literally insane. He wasn't lying when he said that everything was here. I don't even know, like daddy, oh my god. Alright guys, so this is how the front looks like. It's so freaking crazy. And I was like, this has to be his regular signature, like how it always comes. But you'll see how the other one is. It's freaking insane. Okay, this is the signed freaking palette. Do you guys see that? Like, what the freak? It's insane. Alright guys, this has been a crazy Thursday. So unexpected. I wasn't even planning for this to happen or anything, but I'm so freaking happy, and I don't even know what I'm gonna do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, James, and bye sisters.